This Python trick made me love Python. Look at these two variables. A is 10, B is 20. Now I want to swap them. If you've programmed before, you probably know the classic way. First, create a temporary variable, store the value of A, move B into A, then move the temporary value back into B. It works, and that's how millions of programmers have done it for years. But then I discovered Python, and I saw this. A comma B equals B comma A. Just one line. No temporary variable, no extra steps, no complicated logic. I actually thought this couldn't work, but it does. Every single time. Python swaps both values automatically behind the scenes. It's such a small feature, but it makes your code cleaner, shorter, and much more enjoyable to write. Honestly, this was one of the first Python tricks that made me fall in love with the language. Now I want to know, did you already know this Python trick? Write yes or no in the comments.